Welcome to today's episode of Street Talk with Lega Aerobics. The first question I have for you is: do you think most of the food sold in Nigeria are naturally produced or chemically produced?
Some, mostly the locally made ones are naturally produced. Then the ones that are not locally made, probably they have some preservative or something like that, and it definitely has some kind of chemicals in it.
Majority of them are chemical, even down to the vegetable we eat. Everything is chemical.
Do you believe chemical products are also part of the reasons why most people nowadays are falling ill? Do you think that's one of the reasons?
Yes, I know that's one of the reasons, because when forefathers were still they were still alive, they don't usually fall sick easily.
Okay.
Of which people, like if you look around, most people fall sick easily now.
Every day.
And some of them are caused by the food they eat.
We are layman, but from my little understanding, it contributes because the body, when you drink, you take chemical like fruit. Many of them have been injected to preserve them. Like this turkey food we eat, frozen fish, they have been preserved by chemical. Automatically, when you get to the body, it damages the body.
Yeah.
Those days, if you talk of kidney or BP or all this cancer, it was just a story.
Yeah, story that
But
we
now it's a common sickness. So automatically, all these chemical food are the
bad
cause.
for our health. How do you identify a product that is safe for consumption? How do you identify a product that is safe for consumption?
One, you check the expiry date. Two, you check if there is any leakage, because there are some that actually have leakage, but the company may not know, or the people who like the retailers don't know. So you need to check if it has leakages, or if the expiry date, like if it has expired. Secondly, there are some products that are not actually supposed to be kept in heat, like in direct sunlight.
Do you check expiry dates when you buy things outside?
I do
Things that
check
you
expiry dates on things I consume, aside from bottled water. One, I actually think the government actually, if they catch anybody who is selling products that are expired or not good for human consumption, should actually be like their company should be closed down, because those people can actually kill human beings. That's the truth. But if you are prepared to sell things that are actually harmful for human consumption, you don't like your brother. That's it.
Initially, I don't check, but with the enlightenment from NAFDAC and also on, now I check.
So how frequently do you check? Is it like a daily thing?
Anytime I buy, I check.
So what do you think the body can do, like NAFDA, what do you think they can do to make sure that people's lives are protected from all this harmful substance?
They could need to do a more enlightenment. They need a more enlightenment. People need a more enlightenment. Translate to different language. You see, go to the marketplaces, go to the inside vehicle, inside television, let people know. Look, this type of food is dangerous to your health. Many of us are not aware. The NAFDA have to put more effort. They are trying, but they're supposed to put more effort. I can say to my fellow Nigerians, my fellow friends, that they should watch the type of food they buy.